The biggest frustration with using AI, whether it's Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude, is the variable outputs. Sometimes it's genius, and other times it's absolutely rubbish. And to be honest, you're probably the issue, not the AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the framework I use to get consistent results. It doesn't matter what tool you use, but you should be using Gemini. Obviously, I'm joking. Whatever works for you, it works in all of them. The framework is called PCTF. Think of this like delegating work to a new employee. If you give vague instructions, you're more than likely going to get bad results from that employee. And that's your fault because you've not been precise. P is for persona. Who is the AI right now? Is it a senior consultant, a junior copywriter, or a coding expert? You give it the job title. C is for context. This is the onboarding. Give the AI the background info. Who is the client? What is the goal? Without this, it's just simply guessing. And that's how hallucinations can happen. T is for task. This is the specific assignment. What do you actually want it to do? Write a post, analyze a spreadsheet, be specific. F is for format. This is the deliverable. What do you want? Paragraph of text, bullet points, images, or in a table? If you're not specific here, you'll get a wall of text. Let's build a real prompt together, step by step, using the framework. Let's imagine that I run a personal training business called Fit Dads Over 40. First, we'll set the persona. Act as a senior social media strategist specializing in the health and fitness industry. Next, we add the context. My target audience are busy fathers over the age of 40 that have high stressful jobs and are time poor, but still want to get into the best shape of their lives in 90 days. I provide an offer that gets them that result. Then give it the task. Create a 7-day content plan for LinkedIn. The goal is to stop the scroll and focus on quick tips for dads that show my expertise. Finally, the format. Present this in a table with the following columns: day, headline, type of content, and suggested caption, as well as media assets to go with it. This could be videos, carousels, or an image. And here is my prompt all together. Now, we're going to compare it with a lazy prompt, which would be write a 7-day social media post for a fitness coach. Let's see what we get from both outputs. As you can see, the PCTF prompt gives us a strategic table. It understands the 90 days angle and writes headlines specifically for stressed dads. This is the content I can use tomorrow. Whereas the lazy prompt just gives me generic posting ideas. Now, remembering the PCTF is great, but what if I want to make your life easier? And I'm going to. I have created a system prompt that essentially turns your poor prompts into what we've just discussed above, better prompts. You paste it into Gemini or any other AI, and it will diagnose the weaknesses and strengths of that prompt and then redraft it for you. Look, don't say I don't help you. The link to this prompt is in the description. See you on the next one.